Welcome back to Luxury and Exotic Car Reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most extraordinary creations ever imagined for life on the road, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home. This is a bold fusion of coach-built luxury and uncompromising functionality, redefining what premium travel truly means. From the very first glance, its presence is unmistakable. The iconic Pantheon grille stands proudly at the front, crowned by the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy. The silhouette is both elegant and commanding, with every line carefully sculpted to balance aerodynamic efficiency and timeless Rolls-Royce design. Sleek bodywork, refined finishes, and advanced LED matrix headlights give this motorhome a level of sophistication rarely seen in the RV world. Step inside, and you enter a bespoke sanctuary. The cabin is crafted from hand-stitched leather, polished hardwoods, plush wool carpets, and custom fabrics, all tailored to the owner's personal taste. The lounge area feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a motor home, featuring ergonomic seating, ambient lighting, and intelligently integrated storage throughout. The kitchen continues this theme of indulgence. It's fully equipped with an induction cooktop, convection oven, wine chiller, refrigerator, and even an automated coffee machine, making gourmet meals on the road both effortless and enjoyable. Move toward the rear, and you'll find the master suite, a private retreat featuring a king-sized bed dressed in premium linens, surrounded by soft mood lighting and generous storage. The en-suite bathroom is equally impressive, offering marble accents, high-end fixtures, and a spacious shower, designed to refresh and rejuvenate after long journeys. Technology plays a key role as well. The cabin features smart home integration, touchscreen control panels, an AI-powered voice assistant, and biometric entry, seamlessly blending modern convenience with traditional Rolls-Royce craftsmanship. Beneath its refined exterior lies serious engineering. Power is expected to come from a V12 hybrid powertrain, producing approximately 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Reports suggest a 30 kWh lithium-ion battery with regenerative braking to support the hybrid system. Adaptive air suspension, all-wheel drive, off-road tires, and hill descent control ensure this motor home is capable well beyond paved roads. On the move, the experience is pure Rolls-Royce. Advanced noise cancellation and the brand's signature, Magic Carpet Ride, suspension tuning deliver an exceptionally quiet and smooth journey, even at highway speeds. Top speeds are estimated around 155 km per hour, with fuel efficiency ranging roughly between 15 to 20 mpg, depending on driving conditions and hybrid usage. Naturally, this level of luxury comes at a premium. Starting prices are rumored to begin around $450,000 USD, with costs rising significantly through bespoke options such as solar roof panels, extended battery systems, and custom exterior finishes. Maintenance and servicing will require certified Rolls-Royce support, adding to the long-term ownership investment. Despite these considerations, the appeal is undeniable. This isn't simply a motor home, it's a statement on wheels, a mobile palace crafted for those who demand exclusivity. While its size may present challenges in tight spaces and parking requires careful planning, limited production only enhances its desirability and collectible status. When you combine iconic Rolls-Royce design, opulent handcrafted interiors, powerful hybrid performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home stands at the very pinnacle of luxury travel, offering unmatched comfort, prestige, and presence for those willing to make an extraordinary investment. Thank you for watching Luxury and Exotic Car Reviews. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exceptional vehicles. We'll see you in the next one.